ultra-wideband based wireless video, audio, internet, USB hub transmission device. Wireless multimedia solution, ICREON. ICREON is a wireless video transmission device designed to overcome the problems of existing wired connections. And it uses no-loss data transmission technology for optimum video and audio playback. Played on a desktop or a laptop to LCDs, PDPs, and projects it at a remote location. Furthermore, ICREON can also be used as a wireless internet and USB hub. The ICREON transmitter is connected to a laptop or a desktop and transmits video and audio to the receiver using wireless communications. The receiver receives the video and audio wirelessly and displays it on LCDs, PDPs, or projectors. ICREON also supports wireless internet connection via an RJ45 port. The UWB-based wireless docking station, UWB 2050, supports video and audio transmission, and wireless LAN and USB transmission, with support for all band groups. The primary function of UWB 2050 is to display the screen of a desktop PC or a laptop to a remote display wirelessly, and up to 30 feet distance support and built-in HD digital video card support an additional monitor up to 1680 by 1050 resolution. UWB 2010 UHD is a wireless 4-port USB hub and supports various USB devices such as printers, scanners, external hard disks, digital cameras, and a webcam wirelessly, with support for all band groups. Unlike existing products, ICREON uses a no-loss data transmission method to achieve high-resolution transmissions and offers a wide range of applications in high-tech classrooms in schools and universities, conference rooms in government organizations and research centers, as well as for home entertainment systems and convention centers. ICREON can be connected to large displays such as LCDs, PDPs, and projectors anytime, anywhere, resolving the inconveniences of initial installation and maintenance regarding cable concealment. ICREON's wireless transmission technology gets rid of messy cables and the need to conceal the cables, as well as the maintenance costs for replacing the cables. ICREON can be utilized as a multi-functional device serving as a wireless video, audio transmitter, and a wireless internet and USB hub. The next generation multimedia solution that is leading the high-tech digital era by challenging a greater future with technological innovations. ICREON. At the center of this new era, Hanshin IT will lead the way towards the future. Wireless multimedia solution. ICREON.